Egg Recipe Keto. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Easy Keto, Low-carb eggs, cheese, and chorizo sausage breakfast meal prep. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 15 minutes. Total time, 30 minutes. Ingredients: cooking oil, 6 ounces of chorizo sausage, 3 cups of spinach, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, half a cup of chopped green peppers, half a cup of chopped red peppers, half a cup of chopped yellow peppers, 1 cup of chopped onion, 8 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of almond milk, 1.5 cups of shredded smoked cheddar cheese. You can also use 3/4 cheddar and 3/4 smoked cheddar. Topping ideas: salsa, sour cream, chives, and green onions. Instructions: add cooking oil, olive oil works well, to a skillet on medium-high heat with the mushrooms, green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, and onions. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chorizo sausage. Brown the chorizo sausage and break it down into bits with a spatula. Cook until the vegetables become soft and the sausage browns completely. Add the spinach and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the spinach wilts. Remove all of the food from the pan. If there is excess oil from the sausage, drain it, but don't dry out the pan completely. Scramble the eggs on medium to high heat. Season the eggs with salt and pepper to taste, and add in the almond milk. Cook until the eggs are fluffy. Add the sausage and veggies mixture back to the pot. Stir to combine everything. Top with shredded cheese. You can allow the cheese to melt in the skillet or follow the optional broil instructions below. Number 2. InstantPot egg biters. Yield 7 egg bites. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Additional time 5 minutes, for a total time of 20 minutes. Ingredients: 9 eggs, half a cup of cheddar cheese shredded, half a cup of mozzarella cheese shredded, half a cup of spinach diced, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: add 1 cup of water to the inner pot of the Instant Pot. Place the trivet in the pot and set aside. Spray the EggBites silicone mold with non-stick spray. In a medium mixing bowl, add the eggs, cheese, spinach, salt, and pepper, and whisk to combine. Pour the egg mixture evenly to the EggBite silicone mold. Carefully lower the mold onto the trivet. Close the lid and set to sealing. Cook on manual high pressure for 8 to 10 minutes, quick release. Remove the EggBites from mold and allow to cool slightly. Enjoy! Number 3. Keto Naan Bread. Ingredients: dry ingredients, 3/4 cup or 75 grams of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a generous pinch salt, 1 tablespoon of nigella and or sesame seeds. Wet ingredients: 1 cup or 240 milliliters of hot water, 1/4 cup or 60 grams of full-fat natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, olive oil melted. Toppings: 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, butter, olive oil melted, 1 handful chopped parsley or coriander or cilantro, and a generous pinch of salt. Instructions: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. Mix all the dry ingredients in another bowl: coconut flour, psyllium husk powder, xanthan gum, and salt. Make sure there are no lumps. Add the wet ingredients, hot water, yogurt, melted coconut oil or olive oil, and stir together until a dough forms. Form a dough ball and let it sit for a few minutes until the coconut flour and the psyllium have absorbed all the moisture and the dough is not sticky. Cut the dough into 6 pieces and roll them out between 2 sheets of parchment paper into long flatbreads about 1/2 centimeter thick. Place on an upturned baking sheet and remove the top parchment. Optional, sprinkle with sesame seeds and or nigella seeds. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until browned. Baking time will depend on how thick your flatbreads are. If large air bubbles form, pierce with a fork during baking. If necessary, rotate the baking sheets so the flatbreads brown equally and/or turn on the broiler at the end to ensure they crisp and brown on the top. Top with melted butter, olive oil or coconut oil, sprinkle with more salt and chopped parsley or coriander cilantro leaves before serving. Number 4. Keto Zucchini Rollatini Low Carb. Ingredients: 3 large zucchini, slightly thinned lengthwise, 16 ounces of ricotta cheese, 4 large eggs, 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 4 cups of chopped raw spinach or 1 cup of frozen chopped spinach, 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the zucchini slices with sheets of paper towel in between layers on a large plate and microwave on high for 3 minutes. Remove and test to see if they are pliable enough to roll. If not, microwave them for another 1 to 2 minutes. Let them cool. Combine the ricotta cheese, 2 of the eggs, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, another half a cup reserved for topping, Parmesan cheese, spinach, nutmeg, pepper, garlic powder, and salt in a medium-sized bowl and stir well to combine. Place a slice of zucchini on a cutting board and spoon about 1 tablespoon of filling onto the end closest to you. Roll up the zucchini with the filling side. Place the zucchini roll in a 9-inch cake pan or similarly sized casserole dish. Repeat with the rest of the zucchini until all of the filling is gone and the dish is full of rolls. Discard any extra zucchini. Combine the remaining 2 eggs and 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream in a small bowl and stir with a fork until they fully mix together. Pour the custard mixture over the zucchini rolls, tilting the pan gently in a circular motion to make sure the liquid is distributed evenly. Top with the reserved half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Bake for 45 minutes or until the top is golden and slightly puffed. Remove from the oven and let set for 20 minutes before serving.